Welcome. This video will show you how to navigate through an ebook on a smartphone, tablet, or iPad, and how to maximize your experience using Libby. When you first go to read a book, what you want to do is you want to click on Shelf down at the bottom of your Libby app. And then you'll see everything that you've checked out. To open an ebook, simply tap on the cover. And then you can click in the center, and you can begin reading the book. To move between the pages, you can just tap on the edges of your screen, and that should help you turn the pages. You can also swipe with your finger, just like I'm doing right there. To see where you are on the book, and to see other menu options, click on the center with your finger. You'll notice that you'll see this page right here on the left is page 87, and page 88 is over here on the right. You also might see a percentage of how far you've gone through the book as well. This 622 is how many pages total are in the book, and also might include a table of contents, an index, an afterword, whatever might be in the book. Over here you'll notice you're 3 pages into chapter 2, and over here this will tell you how many pages you have left in the chapter. These little black marks right there, those hashes indicate the difference between the chapters. So this is chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. This particular book by John Grisham doesn't have a lot of chapters, so you might see more hash marks in other books. You can also slide between the pages just by holding this down, and you'll see the different page numbers here as well, 80, 100 pages, etc. If you click on chapter 2 right here, you'll be able to see the full table of contents and what page they're on. If you want to navigate to chapter 3, you can just simply click on it right there. If you want to exit this menu, you can click on the hide button, or you can swipe down with your finger. Generally speaking, your device will pick up where you left off the second that you open up your ebook. But one thing that you can do is you can actually insert bookmarks if you want to remember a particular spot. So to do that, go up to the top. You see these different menu functions, and this one all the way on the right will insert a bookmark for you. Check it out. To remove the bookmark, you can just click on it with your finger, and it goes away. Now let's say that this text over here is a little too small for you. You want to make it larger. So what we can do is we can click on the A, and an appearance menu comes up. And what we can do is we can just slide on the text scale with your finger, and it makes it larger for you. You can also control the lighting in the app as well. This bright setting is the default. The sepia gives it more of a pages book kind of feel to it. And then the dark setting is a little easier on your eyes. You can also change the font. You can go with the publisher's default, which gives some more of a Times New Roman feel. And then this one right here, this Open Dyslexic, is for people who have dyslexia. It makes it a little easier for them to read. And then to exit the menu function, just drag it with your finger, swiping down. If we want to define a term, we can do that as well. So let's take a look at the word assumed. So let's highlight that with our finger, and then we can click on the word define. And sure enough, the English definition for assumed comes right up. And we can either swipe down, or we can click on hide, and it goes right away. We can also define places as well. So let's do that right now for Atlanta, the capital of Georgia. We click on it, we go down to define, and sure enough, there it is. Definition with some quick facts about the city of Atlanta. Click on hide again with our finger, and it takes it away. We can also do the same thing for famous names. For instance, let's try William Faulkner right here, just by clicking on his last name and clicking on define. Sure enough, there it is. It actually brings up information about William Faulkner. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. If you're having trouble trying to use Libby on your device or from your computer at home, you can call the circulation desk at 508-295-2343 and dial 0. Also, be sure to check out our other Libby videos. Thank you.